Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesbach-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my bee-free bracelet. The tools and supplies you will need to create this bracelet are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, eye pins, a head pin, lobster clasp, 8mm jump ring, 2 4mm jump rings, and an assortment of Bead Gallery beads by howcraftcollection.com, and a tassel. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads, along with printable PDF instructions, can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search Bee Free Bracelet. Each of our links are created using the simple loop method, except for this bead. It already comes wire wrapped. So I already created some of my simple loops on some of the beads in order to save time. So I'm going to demonstrate on 2 different beads. Using an eye pin, we are going to string this Czech glass purple lentil bead, and we are going to bend the wire down, and we're going to trim this little end right here. And now we're going to form a simple loop using our round nose pliers. We are just rolling the wire towards us, creating a simple loop. I am going to create another simple loop on this slider, and sliders are really great. You can use eye pins and form simple loops, or you can use stretchy cord and create stretch bracelets. So let's grab another eye pin, and we're just going to string it through one side of the loops, and we're just bending that wire down, and we're going to come back in. We're going to trim that wire. I'm going to turn the loop this way. It's easier to form. And when using our round nose pliers, we are just rolling the wire towards us, forming a simple loop. Let's make sure those loops are lined up. So just give it a little twist. And now our loops are facing the same way. So now that we've created all of our simple loops on our beads, we're going to start connecting our loops. So I'm grabbing a rhinestone ball and I'm opening and closing the loop. So that's how you open it. We're going to grab this howlite lentil. We're going to come in and we're just going to close the loop. Now I'm picking up the Czech glass lentil, attaching, and we're going to close that loop. Now coming over to our slider loop, we're going to bring it over here, attach it, and close that loop, and you can see that our bracelet is starting to form. Continuing on, we're grabbing our topaz acrylic slider. We're going to come in, open the loop, attach it, and close that loop. Then we're going to come over to the other side, open that loop, attach, and close the loop. Now we're going to grab another rhinestone ball, and we are going to open that loop, attach it to the bracelet, close the loop, and then our last loop, we're going to open it, And grab our purple acrylic slider, attach it, and close the loop. We are now going to grab our jump ring, and this is how you open and close a jump ring. You never pull it apart, so we're just going to open that jump ring, come over to the purple acrylic slider, grab our 8mm jump ring, and then close the loop. Now we grabbed our jump ring, and this is how you open and close the jump ring. Once again, we're going to open it, attach the lobster clasp, come over to the other side of the bracelet, and close the jump ring. I did a little bit of mixed metals in here to pick up the gold, and the gold in the slider, the flower slider. Now we're going to create this little pearl dangle right here. This is a freshwater pearl using a head pin. This is a beaded head pin. String the pearl down. We're going to make a bend. Trim the end. And now we're forming our simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. Just making sure that loop is closed. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to open this loop, pick up the bracelet, attach it to the jump ring, and close the loop. Our last step is to attach our tassel. So I'm going to come around and I'm going to flip the opening to the outside of the bracelet. And then we're just going to come back in and we're going to open it, attach our tassel, and close the loop. And there you have it, how to create my bee-free bracelet. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. Each week, howcraftcollection.com adds new beads and features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.